Hi guys, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to see call method in JavaScript with the help of this basic calculator example, right? But make sure that here we have used this keyword. So if you haven't watched my previous video, then I'll request you to please go and watch that video so that you can understand what is this keyword in JavaScript, right? So now before wasting any much of the time, let's get started with this topic. So on my screen you can see that I have two objects named as set1 and set2, and observe one thing, that the variables that the properties that it is having as a is equal to 30, b is equal to 10, then in the set b a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 50. So my variables are same, right? A and b, we have used the same variable name in both the sets, right? But the values are different, the name is same, right? Now next thing is, I have four functions. One is for the addition, the second one is for the subtraction, third one is for the multiplication, and the fourth one is for the division, right? And each and every function has the return keyword, right? Now notice one thing, that here we are fetching the values with the help of this keyword, right? But we don't know that from which object we are getting these values, because if we'll talk about this dot a, so a will be present in this set also and as well as in this set as well. Similarly for the b is present here in this set 1 and b is also present in this set 2 also, right? So to come out from this problem, we use this call method, right? So I'll scroll down a bit and show you how this call method function will work. So first of all, in the console log statement, after writing your function name, you'll just write dot call method, right? And within the brackets, you're going to pass that particular object from which you want the values of a and b, right? Let's say here for an example, I want the values of a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 10, and I want this from the set 1. I want the values taken into consideration from this object, right? So I'll going to pass this object within the call method function, right? So here you can see that I have passed set1, 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 set1 in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? Similarly, if you want to fetch the values of the second set, so we're going to pass the second set as set2, set2, set2 and set2 in the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? Now quickly I'll come to my terminal and I'm going to run this file. So I'll click on view, then on the terminal, and then I'll write the file name. The file name is this.js, right? I'll write node and then I'll write the file name this.js. I'll hit the enter button from my keyboard and then I'll get the output in the terminal. So you can see that as per our console log statements, I'm getting my result performing calculation on set 1. We are getting the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Similarly for the set 2, we are getting the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? I'll also show you the values as well in each and every set. In set 1 I have a as 30, b as 10. So 10 plus 30 plus 10, that gives us 40, 30 minus 10, that gives us 20, 30 into 10, that gives us 300, and 30 divided by 10, that gives us 3. Similarly for the second set, a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 50. So 100 plus 50, 150. Subtraction is 100 minus 50, that gives us 50. 100 into 50, that gives us 5000, and then 100 minus 50, that gives us the division as 2, right? So in this video we have seen that what this call method in JavaScript is all about, right? Now I hope guys that you have liked this video and you have understood this topic, and if in case you want to ask anything, then you are most welcome to ask the same in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.